You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, a name of Slavic origin, or let's say Russian, but not only Russian. If you want to learn more Russian or Slavic names pronounced, stay tuned. The Russian pronunciation, Lyudmila. It comes from the two elements, the word Lud, which means people, and Mila, which means dear or love. Lyudmila, so that's your Russian pronunciation. In English it's generally pronounced similarly, although some may add a bit of an E sound. Lyudmila, Lyudmila, it's pretty similar, Lyudmila or Lyudmila. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.